In these three verses of the Quran, there are many names of Allah. Alimul Ghaibi wa Shahada, Ar-Rahman, Ar-Rahim, Al-Malik, Al-Quddus, As-Salam, Al-Mu'min, Al-Mu'min, Al-Aziz, Al-Jabbar, Al-Mutakabbir, Al-Khaliq, Al-Bari, Al-Musabir. Lahu al-asma'ul husna, yusabbihu ma fi samawati wal ardi wa huwa al-Azizul Hakim. Azizul Hakim. So this is many names in this end of the Surah Al-Hashr. And the name which we speak yesterday in the masjid during the lecture, in the Saturday night lecture, our topic was the name of Allah is As-Salam, means the one who is giving the peace. It was yesterday in mostly Tagalog. Tonight our lecture is in English, inshallah. That one of the name of Allah is Al-Salam or As-Salam, which meaning that Allah is a peace. He is the giver of peace. He is the creator of peace. He is the manufacturer of the peace. He is the giver of the peace. And all peace comes from Him. And He loves those who are peacemaker, and He hates those who are troublemaker. I even asked to the people in the audience, what is the most peaceful place? What is the most peaceful place? Paradise, okay, because you know already yesterday. Okay. I asked the people what is it. Some people say Makkah is the most peaceful, or some say Medina is the most peaceful. I say the most peaceful place is paradise, Paraiso. The most peaceful place is paradise. And the people can only go there who are peacemaker. And they themselves are peace also. If you don't get the peace in your heart or peace in your mind, you cannot go to paradise. Because only people who are entitled to go to paradise in the next life, Bilang Buhay, are those who have the peace, internal peace. Their souls are peaceful. Their hearts are peaceful. Their minds are peaceful. Their life is peaceful also. But people who are troublemaker, then they don't have the peace in their heart also. Their heart is full of troubles. Their mind is full of troubles. They always make troubles. And then troublemaker cannot go to paradise. What is the worst place to live? Hellfire. And who are the people going in the hellfire? The troublemaker. The peacemaker cannot go to hellfire. And the troublemaker cannot go to paradise. Why? Because if the troublemaker go to paradise, what will happen? They will make trouble there, and they will make the paradise become like hell. So only peaceful people. Example, try to check yourself. If there is a moment when you can say something and you can let people to fight, then you are troublemaker. And the Prophet, according to what Allah said and what the Prophet said, this person is not entitled to go to paradise because he's a troublemaker. And the person who tried to make peace, who tried to make a sulah or reconciliation with the people, these people, Allah love them, and Allah award them to go to paradise in the next life. So be a peacemaker, and not to be a troublemaker, not to be a destruction of the peace. So anybody who work for the peace, even if you are a policeman, you are a community, you have some position, always try to make peace between the people and not trouble within the people, not to make a fight between the people. So be a worker of the peace. We have also one police station in our masjid, which is called Salam Police, means the peacemaker police. All the time think about this. And then Allah even said in the Quran, Ya ayyatun nafsul mutma'inna irji'i ila rabbika radiyatan mardiyya fadkhuli fi ibadi wadkhuli jannati. O peaceful soul, go towards your Lord, be happy with your Lord, and you are happy and your Lord is happy with you. Fadkhuli fi ibadi wadkhuli jannati. Be enter into my slaves and enter into my paradise. So it's said very clearly, Allah is addressing to the nafsul mutma'inna, the peaceful soul, and not the nafsul malama. Nafsul lawama means who is blaming itself, and not the nafsul mash'ama, the bad soul. So don't be a evil soul, don't be a soul which always blame himself, or not be a soul who is troublemaker, but rather to be a soul which is full of peace, full of sukoon and tranquility. And so people who are keeping too much hatred in the heart, their heart can never be peaceful. The people who keep too much anger in the heart, they can never be peaceful. The people who keep lots of jealousy in the heart, they can never be peaceful. So your heart must be clean. The Prophet Muhammad As-Salam said, every morning and every evening, wipe your heart. Wipe your heart in Tagalog, walis. Walis the heart. Okay. Wipe your heart means clean your heart. Don't keep hatred for anyone. Try to check you hate someone in your heart. Remove it right now. I don't hate anyone. Whoever I hate, right now, I don't want to hate that person anymore. Then what will happen now? Your heart is starting to get peace. Your heart is starting to get happiness and peace in your heart. Sukun. So the keeping the hatred in the heart, keeping the anger in your heart, keeping the jealousy in your heart, it burns your heart. It will destroy your heart, and it will affect your soul. Your soul not be no longer be peaceful, because when your heart is not peaceful, your soul is not peaceful, and the soul which is not peaceful cannot go to paradise in the next life, will be going in the hellfire, because all the people in the hellfire with the souls which is very troublesome soul, which is too much pressure soul, depressed soul, full of depression soul. And these people who are full of depression, they will be going in the hellfire. Not only hellfire in the next life, even this life, they are hellfire. That much heart is too much depressed, their soul is too much depressed. They even make suicide, they even take the drugs, they take the alcohol, they take the tranquilizer, they take so many medications, and then they cannot sleep, they cannot be feel happy, they feel empty, and they are willing to take their life because they are tired with their life, because of the mind is not peace and the heart has no peace. So what was our lecture for yesterday night in what was in Tagalog, and tonight is the same lecture in English. Look for the peace, because Allah has a name, As-Salam, and only Allah can give the peace. No one else can give you the peace. Right now, we have a problem in Middle East, in Israel, in Palestine. There is no peace right now. It's a big war there. And even that recently, last 2-3 days ago, the United Nations, they tried to make the peace. They make the pass the resolution. 120 countries said stop the war. 45 countries were abstaining the war. They did not vote. They just want to be neutral. Only 14 countries, 1-4, only 14 countries, they say they want to be continue the war. Only 14 countries. And 120 countries said no war. 45 countries, no war. But still 120 countries said no war, and United Nations passed the resolution, but war did not stop. It's still no peace. Only Allah can give the peace. Pray to Allah to give peace in Middle East, in Palestine. Always pray to Allah, always cry to Allah for that, because there are thousands of children being killed already for last 3 weeks. Every day many children are dying. In Palestine, we need to pray to Allah, to cry to Allah, to stop this murdering of the children there in Palestine. It is not any day for last say 3 weeks, not even single day that the children are not dying. Most of the people are dying are the number one children. More than 7,000 people died, and more than 3,500 are the children. And then the women are dying, and the elderly people are dying. So it is a human catastrophe, or human genocide being happening in Palestine. And how a human can do to other human like this? We are human being, and we are all children of Adam. We are biologically brothers and sisters in humanity, yet the human beings are killing other human beings. And this is contradictory to the peace. And these people who are doing that, who are killing other human beings, they don't have internal peace. That's why they are making destruction. Yesterday we listened this singer, the former singer Kat Stevens, who is Muslim for many years. His name is Yusuf Islam. He speak that is a human genocide, and he also speak to the people of Israel. Then don't follow the people who are misguiding you, but follow your prophet Musa. Prophet Musa did not say that. He said not to kill, because he got the message from Allah. He got the Torah, and the Torah said don't kill people among the 10 commandments. Don't kill people. Don't expel people from their homes. Don't make injustice to people. Don't make zulm to people. The same thing we can say to the Palestine side. And all the people of the world, don't kill the innocent people. Don't do murder. Don't expel people from their homes. And don't make injustice. Always love with peace. Live with the peace and love and harmony in this world. If we can prove to Allah that we know how to live with the peace, and we can live with the peace, then Allah will bless us in this world, and in the next life He can save us from the hellfire, and He can enter us in paradise, because He only want to bring the people in paradise who are peace lover, who promote the peace, and who themselves they have internal peace, and they are not destroying the peace, or they are not the troublemakers. Even Allah called the paradise name is As-Salam. As-Salam means the house of peace, the place of peace. How are people who are destroying the peace can go to paradise? It's impossible, because the people who are destroying the peace, they can never go to paradise. Only the people who can go to paradise who are promoting the peace, and they themselves are peaceful. So be a worker of the peace. be the ambassador of the peace. We work for the peace and pray to Allah to give peace to our hearts, to our mind, to our souls, and to peace in the world, especially in Palestine, in the Middle East. We pray to Allah to bring the peace and to stop the war. We really want. We always pray to Allah every day. Yesterday I said everyone pray to Rakat Tahajjud. We can do this every day. Pray to Rakat Tahajjud and pray to Allah. Allah stop the war. Allah stop this abuse, this injustice happening to the children in Palestine. That every day children are being killed, and there are in thousands of children, already thousands of children. How you can imagine that the thousands of children are killed by the other human beings? That is the big trouble. If we are going to speak silent for this, then there will be a big punishment for us. So we need to speak, because if you cannot stop evil, at least you can stop with your words. Stop the war, stop injustice, stop killing the innocent children. All this message to either to Muslims, to Christians, to Jews or Hindus or Buddhists, whoever the people, the atheists, whatever people in the world, all the human beings, it is our message. Don't kill other human beings and live on this earth with peace, so we can go in the next life with peace in paradise and not in the hellfire. May Allah guide us.